Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and doing mathematics comfortably. These days, we people are doing rectification, that is, the process of finding the length of the arc of the curve. As soon as we hear the word curve अर्थात वक्र, हमारे दिमाग में कई तरह के कर्व, कई तरह की उनकी इक्वेशंस आती है. The familiar equation of the curve, as we people know that, be in Cartesian form. But you know that the equation of curve is written in Cartesian as well as in polar as well as in pedal. But one more, that is called intrinsic equation. So today we will discuss the intrinsic Nash Samikaran of the curve. So let us continue. Curve means plane curve. Remember, two-dimensional geometry. Cartesian equation. Relation in x and y. Example, very popular, circle. Polar equation. Relation in r and theta. R equals to a times 1 minus cos theta or 1 plus cos theta, whatever. This is cardioid. Third, pedal equation. Relation in P and R. P square equals to AR. This is parabola. Fourth, parametric. X equals t plus sin t. Y equals to a times 1 minus cos t. This is cycloid. And fifth one, intrinsic equation. हिंदी में इसको नैश समीकरण बोलते हैं. That is the relation in S and psi. What is S? The length of the arc measured from the fixed point, and psi, the angle made by the tangent with x-axis. Okay, so Cartesian equation, polar equation, ध्रुवीय समीकरण, पैडल इक्वेशन, पदिक समीकरण, पैरामेट्रिक, प्राचलिक समीकरण, इंट्रिंसिक इक्वेशन, नैश समीकरण. किसी कर्व की इक्वेशन को लिखने के कई सारे तरीके हैं. कोई पर्टिकुलर पार्ट कैलकुलेट करते समय कौन सा फॉर्म इजी रहता है वो आपको तय करना होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी स्टडी द डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ द कर्व. This is the circle, this is cardioid, this is parabola, this is cycloid, and intrinsic equation that we will discuss. So, if the Cartesian equation is given, then how to convert it into intrinsic equation? If polar equation is given, then how to convert, and if parametric equation is given, then how to convert it. So we discuss the particular example so you can understand in better way. Let us continue. First, I consider the curve whose equation is given in Cartesian form. Okay. Taking origin as a fixed point, find the intrinsic equation in the mesh samikaran. Taking origin as a fixed point, find the intrinsic equation of the parabola y square equals to 4x. Okay. Tools. See this. This is the curve. This is the fixed point. Let us suppose here it is A. This is fixed. This is the tangent at P. This is the length of the arc. Okay, so S, this is length of the arc is measured from the fixed point A. So this AP is S. Chalk column rectification, this article we have done, and if you remember, there are several results. Length of the arc, you remember, this is the length of the arc. Suppose I say AP, right? Then it is x1 to x2 under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx. Length of the arc. When we consider y in terms of x, if we consider x in terms of y, then we take the limits of y. y1 to y2 1 plus dx upon dy whole square of dy. If polar curve is given, then we can write r in terms of theta, theta in terms of r. If parametric is given, then we write the limits t1 to t2 under root dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square dt, because t is the parameter here. So this is the length of the arc, that means this is S. So this result is given in terms of this one. So definitely this is a function of x. So S is a function of x. What is the intrinsic equation? That is the relationship in S and psi. What is psi? Psi is this angle. Here it is. Tangent makes an angle psi with x-axis, and you know that dy by dx is tan psi. Okay. So we use dy by dx equals tan psi and this formula, that is under root 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx, or limit y1 to y2 1 plus dx upon dy whole square of dy. It depends on you. So we try to eliminate x and y and we try to find the relation in terms of s and psi, that relationship is known as intrinsic equation. So let us continue. So this is a basic tool you have to remember, and if the equation is given in polar, then you also remember the formula, that is tan phi equals to r d theta by dr, and psi equals to theta plus phi. These results you must remember. dy by dx equals to tan psi, psi equals to theta plus phi, and tan phi equals to r d theta by dr. So if Cartesian is given, we use this and this. If polar is given, then we use this one and that particular polar formula, and so on. So let us continue this. Taking origin as a fixed point means instead of A, we people are given the origin as a fixed point. Find the intrinsic equation of the parabola y square equals to 4ax. Diagram is not necessary, but even then I draw this. Suppose this is the point P, Cartesian equation, that is x comma y. Here it is y square equals to 4x. And this is the origin, this is fixed. So this one, this length, okay. So here this is x, and here it is x equals to 0. And this length is here x comma y, so this is x equals to x. Length OP, that is S, is given by x1 to x2 under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx. This is x equals to 0 to x under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx. Now y square equals to 4x, so it is 2y dy by dx equals to 4a. Therefore, dy by dx equals to 2. This implies tan psi is 2a upon y. Tan psi is this one. 0 to x under root of 1 plus dy by dx, that is 2a upon y, so it is 2a upon y whole square dx. Okay. This is 0 to x under root of 1 plus 4a square upon y square. 0 to x under root of 1 plus 4a square, y square means 4ax, y square is 0 to x under root of 1 plus a by x dx. This is 0 to x. Now we want to integrate it. So let write indefinite integral. It is, remember, little bit time consuming. Indefinite integral, like under root of 1 plus e by x dx. Let x equals to A cot theta. Yes. Dx by d theta equals to minus A cosec square theta d theta. Okay. Therefore, this is 1 plus cot square theta. So it is a 2a cot theta into minus cosec square theta d theta. Yes. So 1 plus this a and cancel, it is tan square theta. D theta. This is a sec theta. 2a cot theta minus cosec square theta d theta. Minus 2a, yes, sec theta 1 upon cos, and this cancelled out. So we people are getting cosec cubed theta d theta. Okay. Now we have to integrate this cosec cubed. So I write it is minus 2a cosec square theta cot theta d theta. This is second function and this is the first function. Integration by parts. Minus 2a first function as it is. Integration of second minus cot theta minus integration differentiation of this minus cosec theta cot theta. Remember, differentiation of first minus cosec theta cot theta. Integration of cosec square theta minus cot theta d theta. Bracket closed. This is minus 2a minus cosec theta cot theta minus minus plus and minus. It is cosec square theta cot square theta d theta. Okay. This is minus 2a minus cosec theta cot theta cosec theta cot square theta is cosec square theta minus 1 d theta minus 2a. This is minus cosec theta cot theta, then it is minus cosec cube theta. Okay. Cosec cube theta and plus cosec theta. Yes. Indefinite integral, talking about this. So okay, minus minus plus, so it is 2a. Listen, from this side I write this is is suppose I1, for example. Suppose. So it is minus minus plus 2a cosec theta cot theta minus minus plus 2a cosec cube theta p theta minus 2a cosec theta d theta. It will be this. This is the indefinite integral. This is 2a cosec theta cot theta plus 2a. Now instead of I1, suppose this is I, for example. So this becomes this is 2a. So what is I1? Here it is cosec cube theta. So it is I upon minus 2. This is equals to I. Okay, so this minus 2a is this side, so it is I upon minus 2a, that is equals to I1 minus 2a cosec theta d theta. Okay, so this and this cancel out. This and this cancel out, it is minus I minus 2a cosec theta d theta. Transpose this side, so it is 2i equals to 2a cosec theta cot theta minus 2a integration of cosec theta d theta. Therefore, I equals to a cosec theta cot theta minus a, this is log. Now integration of this, check the sign. This is minus and this is minus minus plus opens. Okay, it's okay. This is cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay. Yes. So is cancelled out, and therefore s equals to, what was the integral? 0 to x. So this is the integration of this. So it is a cosec theta cot theta minus a log cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay. Limit is from 0 to x. Definitely it is time consuming. A cosec x cot x minus a log cosec x cot x. This is upper limit minus lower limit. This is the a limit x tends to 0 cosec theta cot theta. So theta here it is x is 0, so x tends to 0 here. X was a cot square theta. So x by a equals to cot square theta. So cot theta is under root of x by a. So this is root x, here it is root a, and this is root x plus a. Yes, theta. Now we substitute the result because it is the indefinite integral. So it is a. Cosec theta means this upon this. It is root x plus a upon a. Cot theta is root x by a. Cot is root x by a, and yes, it is this. And minus a log cosec, that is root x plus a by a minus root x upon a. Yes, this is the indefinite integral, that is close to it. Okay. Now, what was s? It is 0 to x under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square dx. 0 to x under root of 1 plus this was a by x. Yes, and x was a cot square theta, so a and cancel out. Yes, and when we integrate this one, if we integrate this, then the answer is this. So here it is a under root of x plus a upon a root x upon a minus a log root x plus a upon a minus root x by a. Limit 0 to x. Here it is. X plus a upon a root x by a minus a log root x plus a upon a minus root x by a. X is replaced by x minus lower limit x 0. So it is a times x is 0, then this completely 0 minus. Look at this. X 0, here it is 0, then it is 0, here 0, then it is 1, so it is log 1, and log 1 is 0. So we people are getting the answer, that is a root x plus a upon a root x by a minus a log root x plus a upon a minus root x by a. This is as equals to. Again, I am telling you this is time consuming. Okay, so log 1 is 0. But remember, this is not the answer. We want to find the relationship in S and psi. So, what was dy by dx? It was 2a upon y, if you remember this. And this is a tan psi equals to 2a. Y means 2 root ax, if you remember. Because y square equals to 4ax, so y is 2 root ax. So 2 and 2 cancel out, so it is root a by x. Now take the help of time psi, it is root a, root x, and this is root x plus a. This is the best way. Now use this. This is a root x plus a upon root a, that is cos x psi. This is cos psi minus a log cos x psi minus cos psi. So this is a time consuming, but remember we got the answer, but this is not given in the book. In the book alternative method is given, so let us discuss that also. Definitely it is time consuming. Alternative. Y square equals to 4ax, 2y dy by dx is 4a, dy by dx is 2a upon y, and this is tan psi. Also, tan psi is 2a upon y. So this implies y equals to 2a cos psi. First. Again, s equals to 0 to y under root 1 plus dx upon dy whole square dy. Note this. इससे पहले हमने dy by dx लिया था x के रेस्पेक्ट में, तो लिमिट थी 0 to x. अब हमने लिमिट लिए 0 to y और y के रेस्पेक्ट में. कारण यह है कि उससे इंटीग्रेशन बहुत इजीली बन जाता है. इसलिए आप खुद देख सकते हो 0 to y अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 plus dx upon dy. dx upon dy will be y upon 2a. This is y upon 2a. This is y square upon 4a. Y square equals to 4ax. So here it is 0 to y under root of y square 4ax. So it is root 1 plus x. Y square upon 4a, that is x alone. You can see this. So this is 0 to y. Now integration of root 1 plus x, so it is 1 plus x to the power half, it is 2 by 3. Two y dy by dx, it is 4a, 2 and 2, so it is 2a upon y. If we square it, then it is 4a square. One a is missing, yes. y square 2a upon y. So it is y upon, it is 4a square. Yes. So this is y square 4ax. So it is x upon a. Yes. So it is x upon a is 1 upon root a 0 to y root x plus a dy. It is 1 upon root a, it is 2 by 3 x plus a to the power 3 by 2. It is 0 to y. It is 1 by root a 2 by 3. It is y plus a to the power 3 by 2 minus, wait. It is in terms of y. Sorry. Oh, 1 upon 2a 0 to 1. It is under root of 2a whole square plus y square dy. Yes. Sometimes it happens. So it is 1 upon 2a 1 by 2 y under root 4a square plus y square plus 4a square by 2 log y plus under root 4a square plus y square. Recall the formula. Under root of a square plus x square dx. The answer is 1 by 2 x root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log x plus root a square plus x square plus c. This I have already explained. So this formula is used here. Instead of a, we have 2a whole square. So it is that. Now limit is from 0 to y. So it is 1 by 2a 1 by 2 y root 4a square plus y square plus it is 2 4a square by 2 log y plus under root 4a square plus y square. Okay. Minus 1 by 2a. This is the answer of upper limit. Now lower limit 0, so this part is 0 completely. This is 0. Here it is 0, so it is 2a. So it is 4a square by 2 0, so it is 2a log. It becomes this. Integration you have to remember, okay? Otherwise it is very difficult. Now let us continue. It is 1 by 4a y under root of 4a square plus y square plus 1 by 2a 1 by 2a, so it is 1 by 8a, 1 by 4a into y this, then this and this cancelled out, so here it is 2. Then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, and so it is a times, so it is a log, it is a log y plus under root 4a square plus y square. Then it is minus 1 by 2a. So this is 2 to the 4. It is minus a. Log 2a. वन बाई टू ए जीरो ठीक है, यहाँ तक 1 by 2 ये भी ठीक है, a square by 2, so it is 4a square by 2, it is 1 by 2a half, इसको कैंसिल करता हूँ मैं यहाँ से, write it again. Y square upon 4a square, that is 4a, so it is 2a. It is 1 by 2a, then half, so it is 1 by 4a. And this is y under root 4a square plus y square plus this current a square. Log y plus root 4a square plus y square. This are at 0 to y. Okay. 1 by 4. Put this bracket. Then it is y under root 4a square plus y square plus a square log y plus root 4a square plus y square. This bracket. Okay. Then minus. This is the upper limit. Then minus lower limit. This is 0, and here it is 0. This is 0. So it is a square log 2a. Okay, now it's correct. It is 1 by 4a y root 4a square plus y square plus a square is common, you can say this. Then it is log m minus log m, so it is log y plus root 4a square plus y square upon 2a. It is 1 by 4a y root 4a square plus y square. यहाँ से इसका वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लेता हूँ. dy by dx was 2a upon y. So tan psi is 2a upon y. So y is 2a cos psi. Now we eliminate this. So it is 1 upon 4a. Y means 2a cos psi. Now it is 4a square. Square, so it is 4a square. So it is 2a. 1 plus cot square psi is cos psi. So it is cosec psi plus a square log y means 2a cot psi plus this is 2a cosec psi upon 2a. This is 2 into 2, 4, 4a square, and let us simplify this. So it is 4a square, so a is left, a cot psi into cosec psi plus this is a square, and here it is 4a. So what is left? 2a and 2a is cancelled out. It is a by 4. It is log cot psi plus cosec psi. And forgot the constant somewhere else. One by 4, and here it is 1 by 2, 2. Yes, here it is 4. This is 4. This is 4. See. So this is 4. This is 4. So this is a. Yes. And this is a cot psi cosec psi plus a log. This is 1 upon cosec psi minus cot psi. Log 1 is 0, so finally I got the answer. A cot psi cosec psi minus log cosec psi minus cot psi. Yes. See this answer. He is found here. Okay, so this answer and this answer both are equal, but you say this is a time consuming example. So if you people are strong in integration, then you can find the answer easily. So this is the way to obtain the Nash Samikaran intrinsic equation of the parabola y square equals to 4ax measured from the fixed point origin. Today is enough. Tomorrow we will discuss the same thing but with different form of curve, that is the maybe parametric or polar. Thank you very much.